Hi friends, welcome to my kitchen. Today I am preparing full chicken roast. Okay, this is my way of cooking with very less oil, healthy. Anytime you can make for your friends, for your families, and enjoy it. And it is actually for the bachelors, okay, who stay alone and they want to eat, but in somehow they are not able to because they think that they need tandoor or they need griller or they need a microwave for this. But no, nothing. Whatever you have, you can make with that. Okay, so let's get started. So here I have taken a full chicken. See, this is a full chicken. It's cleaned, and we want this type of chicken. Okay, so full chicken we have taken. See, only the skin has been removed. Okay, so it's clean, it's washed. You have not to, please don't cut this part. Okay, we need this part because we are making a full chicken. Okay, so this is cleaned, everything is done. Now the main part is marination. For before marination, what you need to do is, please make cuts like this. Okay, wide cuts. Okay, so that the marination should go inside it, inside the chicken nicely. Okay, for that you need to put good cut and always cut like this. Okay, not straight cuts, slanting cuts. Okay, so our next step will be marination.
So we need to marinate our chicken. The ingredients we need is 1.5 teaspoon of red chili, and here friends we are using Kashmiri red chili. Okay, and so the next ingredient is coriander, and we only need 1 teaspoon of coriander. And now we are going to add turmeric, and for turmeric we need 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. So now the next ingredient is garlic powder. So for garlic powder we need 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder.
Friends, you can use fresh garlic and ginger paste also, but here I am using powdered form of garlic and ginger.
The next ingredient for our marination of chicken is 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder, and now we are going to add 1 teaspoon of ground onion powder. Then we are going to use 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Now we are going to use 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala. So friends, we are using salt, and you can use salt according to your taste. And now we are going to add 2 tablespoons of curd.
My daughter was introducing you the masalas, so she wanted to do, that's why. Now friends, with little bit of oil I'll mix it, little bit of oil, and now we will mix the masala nicely. We have made the paste. Now what we are doing, this chicken we will be marinating with this masala. Just fill in this cavities, what we have made the cavities, just fill inside that. If you are keeping this for marination full night, it's good. You can keep this for 2 hours or at least for half an hour. Please keep this for marination. Okay. If you are keeping outside the fridge, don't keep more than 1 hour. Okay. And if you are keeping inside the fridge, you can keep whole night marinated. Okay.
So friends, now we are going to use some thread to tie the chicken's leg for maintaining a good shape.
Almost use 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of oil. Okay. Whenever you are making this, at least 1.5 to 2 tablespoons oil we need. Okay, because we don't want to burn our chicken. First step is, to this oil I will be adding finely chopped onions, okay, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. If you don't have ginger garlic paste, you can add crushed ginger garlic also, okay, or grated ginger garlic also. Anything what is available with you, please go with that only. Now to this I will be adding little salt so that the onion should cook little faster. As in marination also we have added salt, so we will be adding according to that. Half a teaspoon of black pepper, little bit of turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, Kashmiri red chili, half a teaspoon, and 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala or chicken masala. Just mix it nicely. Okay, in very low flame. Okay, now what we are going to do, this is enough. See, our marinated chicken already is 1.5 hours. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll add this chicken. Okay, like this. Okay, and in low flame, keep in low flame, and cover this and cook this for at least 20 to 25 minutes. You can check in between by poking a knife or a toothpick, and you can see if chicken is well cooked. You can switch off the gas. Okay friends, now I am making one chutney. Okay, in this mixie I have added coriander leaf, two green chilies, little bit of mint leaf, then salt according to your taste, cumin seed, little bit, not too much, little bit of cumin seed, and a very small piece of garlic. Okay, that gives very good taste. Try this way. And then these type of 2 round red chilies, dried one. Okay, I'll add that also. Now we will grind this. Okay, so chutney is ready. Now to give a twist, I will add 2 teaspoon of curd. Okay, once more we will just mix it. So friends, after adding curd and after pulsing it, just see our chutney is ready to have this with full chicken roast. Okay, okay friends, now I'll show you. It's already cooked. Okay, chicken is cooked. I can show you it. Just take a skewer like this, and just see it's cooked nicely. Okay, now what I am going to do is I'll just give a turn to this. So friends, our chicken roast bachelor style is ready. Do try this. It's yum. It's delicious. The fragrance I cannot tell. It's yummy. Do try this. And if you are not subscribed my channel, do subscribe my channel. Hit the notification bell, like and comment.